A wonderful natural phenomenon. It occurs when any heavenly body comes in front the other, casting a shadow over the other body, mostly Moon and Earth. Types of eclipses: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse. A type of eclipse where Moon comes in between Sun and Earth, covering Sun for Earth. This is a diagram of solar eclipse. When Moon blocks the Earth, it forms two areas, umbra and penumbra, where umbra is darker than penumbra. If you stand in penumbra, you may see the eclipse like this. If you stand in umbra, you may see it like this. Lunar eclipse. Occur when Earth came in front of Moon, eventually blocking the light coming on the Moon. This is a diagram of lunar eclipse. Here the Moon turns red because Earth's surface only let red light pass through it. As a result, Moon turned out to be red. Umbra is darker, or correctly redder, than penumbra. You may see it like this if you watch from penumbra, and like this if you watch it from umbra. Now a question arises. Why every new moon and full moon is not an eclipse? We think that orbit of Moon around the Earth is straight in line. But actually, it's a bit tilted, as you can see in the picture, 1.5 degrees. As a result, it has two noses where it aligns with the Earth, one here as you can see, and other at the exact opposite side. That's why it is difficult for all three to align at every new moon and full moon.